is Micaela Kubar.
This is Daniel Tiwano.
This is Trisha Maitinao.
This is Roslyn Faith Inocando.
This is Jamaica Magubat.
This is Ana Nicole Lawas.
This is Jago Melchizedek B. Minyoza.
We are the Group A of M2E.
For the introduction. Hey guys! So in this vlog, we'll be guiding you into the world of trigonometry. Trigonometry. So what is trigonometry? As the name might suggest, it is all about triangles. More specifically, right-angled triangles, where one of the internal angles is 90 degrees. Trigonometry is a system that helps us work out on missing or unknown side lengths or angles of a triangle. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that examines the relationships between the sides and angles of triangles. Though its exact meaning is triangle measurement, it has many applications outside of geometry. Due to the requirement of precise solving techniques and navigational methods, it has developed into a rigorous discipline in the 15th century, when it was used for the solution of right triangles, or the calculation of the lengths of two sides of a right triangle, given one of its acute angle and the length of one side. To determine the solution, ratios in the form of trigonometry functions can be utilized. Bonus! Trigonometry is derived from the Greek words trigonon, which means triangle, and metria, meaning measurement. That's all. Thank you.
Importance. The trigonometry is important because it is used in navigation to pinpoint a location to set a direction such as north, south, east, and west.
Great trigonometry skills allow students to work out complex angles and dimensions in relatively little time. Widely used in architecture, engineering, and many sciences. Trigonometry is one of the most valuable branches of mathematics.
We will be showing you the applications of trigonometry of right angles in real life. So let's get started. So the first one is door. The edges of a door. We can clearly see that the edge of the door is also a trigonometry. It forms a triangle. And the next one is TV or television. The edge part of a television. This part of television is right triangle, which tells of trigonometry is shown because it also forms as a triangle.
As you can see, these edges of the mirror forms a right triangle. So it is a trigonometry.
In this picture frame, this edge right here is also a right angle, which tells us this is also an application of a trigonometry.
Table. The edge of the table also shows us an application of trigonometry because it also forms as a triangle. And the next one is mirror. The edge of a mirror. The edges of a mirror forms a right angle of trigonometry because it also forms a triangle. And lastly is edge of a stairs. As we see in the stairs, it applies the right angle of trigonometry because it also forms a triangle. That's all.
Can trigonometry be used in everyday life? Trigonometry may not have its direct application in solving practical issues, but it is used in various things that we enjoy so much. For example, music. As you know, sound travels in waves and patterns, though not as regular as a sine or cosine function. It is still useful in developing computer music. A computer cannot obviously listen to and comprehend music as we do, so computers represent it mathematically by its constituent sound waves. And this means sound engineers need to know at least the basics of trigonometry. And the good music that these sound engineers produce is to help us come from our hectic, stressful life. And this is all thanks to trigonometry.
Hello everyone! So what are the lessons we've learned today? Trigonometry is a system that helps us to work out missing or unknown side of lengths or angles in a triangle. The length between a triangle's sides and angles is studied in trigonometry. The ratio of the side lengths is used to calculate the angle measurement using geometrical constructs. The trigonometry is important because it is used in navigation to pinpoint a location, to set directions such as the north, south, east, and west. Trigonometry may not have its direct application in solving practical issues, but it is used in various things that we enjoy so much. For example, music. As you know, sound travels in waves, and this pattern, though not as regular as a sine or cosine function, it is still useful in developing computer music. That's all for today. Thank you.